Alright, welcome back to Keith 60 Hotshot Adventures. Still working on the Toyota. Got the front end all done, both sides. Quick tip on the back. I'm doing some shocks. Depending on how long your shocks have been on there and if they're OEM. And you can't get your shocks on, make sure you get up there and the ring will probably be rusted to the top. That will not allow you to put your new shocks on properly. Get a pry bar in there and we're gonna finish trying to pop that out. You can do it one-handed. Maybe. There it is. So now, it's out. Because if you don't knock it out wherever it went, there it is. That piece right there, if you don't get that off, you're never getting your new shock back on. It's not here. Hold on, let's walk over to the new shock anyway. Your new shock has that same sleeve right here. If you don't get that old one out and you try and put this one in, it'll never go all the way in and you'll never get the top nut on. So, just want to give you guys a quick tip about that I discovered on the driver's side that I've already done. I struggled for like longer than I should have anyway. And then I realized, I'm like, why isn't it going in? It's like the easiest part of the job to finish up here was to do these shocks, and I'm like, why won't it go all the way up? So I was like, pressing up on them, like, what? I'm like, I've never had shocks going this hard. And that's what I discovered. And the top is a 14 mil. The through bolt on the bottom is a 17 for both sides. So I'm going to go ahead and get to it. Thanks for tuning in on I don't know, my struggle and my quick tip that I found for the rear shocks on a Toyota Tacoma.